Okay, class, today I'm going to be teaching the lesson on skip counting by twos. Okay, the learning objective is behind this, you will be able to count by twos and understand when it is appropriate to count by twos. Okay, so our principal is asking me to take a poll, asking all the teachers to take a poll of how many first graders are in the school. So I have to find out how many students are in the class. Who wants to help me count how many students are in the class? Okay, Clarissa, can you count how many students are in the class? We're gonna count, no, you can see here, we're just gonna count all the way to 28, okay? So just count. We'll start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
28. Okay, Clarissa, thank you so much. So Clarissa counted that there were 28 students in the class, okay? I have an easier and faster way to count to 28. Can I show you, Clarissa? So we're going to count to 28 by counting by twos. 2, so I'm going to count the number of kids. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, and 28. Now, Clarissa, do you think that was faster than counting by ones?
Yes.
Good, great, it is easier. Now, can you think of a time, Clarissa, when you were in school that your teacher might have counted by twos other than what I did? Can you think of a time? Okay, that's okay. Johnny knows. What did you say, Johnny? Okay, he said that he remembers his teacher counting by twos when Dinosaur Johnny said when we were on a field trip. So, when you're on a field trip, who remembers that you always get a partner in a seat bus? So, the partners are called pairs, right? So, when we're doing a head count, let's just say this is our pretend bus. When we're doing a head count, the teachers always count by twos. It may be Sophia and Alicia, Johnny and Azir, Zaire and Antonio, Taylor and Alicia. So let's count. If we have 28 kids on a bus, Clarissa, then to get the head count before the bus driver leaves, we need to count 28. We need to count 28 students. So we're going to count 28 students on a bus by counting by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. That was so much easier than counting by ones. Would you agree? Now, I'm going to, can you think of another time at home that you may count by twos? What about when you're counting change? When you're counting pennies, you may have a handful of pennies. Instead of counting 1, 2, instead of counting each penny out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can count by twos. Can you help me count by twos? Stay where you are. Can you help me count by twos instead of by ones, Clarissa?
Yeah.
Let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Good job. So we can agree again that counting by twos is faster, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to count to 100 together. guys, okay? Can you help me, Clarissa?
Yeah.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 17.
oh, let's start over, okay? No problem, let's start over. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25,
26,
27, 28, 29, 30,
31,
32,
33,
34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39,
40, 41,
42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49,
50, 51,
52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59,
60, 61, 70, 71,
72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79,
80, 81,
82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89,
90, 91,
92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99,
100. Good job, guys. So I'm coming over here. This is also a hundreds chart, but I only filled in. I skipped in spaces, which is called skip counting. I skipped the spaces here because we're gonna fill them in together, okay? Because once we get to filling this in, Clarissa, you will know that we're counting by twos. So what comes after 1?
2,
2. Would you like to put it in for me?
yes,
Good job. So 1, 2.
3,
What comes here?
4,
4. Okay. 5.
6,
Uh-huh.
7, 8,
9.
2,
Okay. 11 is filled in. You need 12. 13.
14,
15. 16. 17. 18. 19.
20,
Okay. 21. 2. 23.
24,
25.
26.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So we're gonna, it's a little space there. Go ahead and write your 2 again. 26, 27, 8, 29, and 30. So we said there were 28 students in the classroom, correct? So let's count by twos. The spaces that we filled in. 2, 4, 6,
8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18,
20, 22, 24, 26,
28.
8. Good job, Clarissa. Good job. So now to reinforce what we just learned, have a seat. To reinforce what we just learned about counting by twos, I'm going to have you come over to the table, and all of my friends are going to complete the paper by circling the, I'm sorry, you're going to circle every number by counting by twos. Do you think you can do that for me?
Yes.
Okay, good job.
You can put it down.